This is a 2010 Jeep Commander. This SUV has an automatic transmission and a 3.7-liter V6. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, a passenger side vanity mirror, front fog lights, roof rails, an anti-lock braking system, front and rear reading lights, and this vehicle has less than 47,000 miles. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Bankston Ford of Frisco is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 6850 Highway 121 in Frisco.